Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to schedule an order on Domino's Pizza. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Domino's Pizza application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register, of course, if you do not have one yet. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the address and the order button now where you can go and order your pizza. And we have the switch to carry out if you want to carry out the pizza. So basically you can switch it by clicking it like this. You can select the store where you want to pick it up. So also in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the order now, pizza tracker, profile, legal notice, data privacy, T&Cs, and Domino's more. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and schedule an order on Domino's Pizza. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do is go and click on the order now button, which is in the middle. When you click it, you have the options where you can go and want to order now or later. The one that we want to focus on is later because we want to schedule our order. Click there. Here you can, as you can see, change the time when you want it to be delivered. There you'll have the minimum time when you can click on. You can change it to this button, select it, and that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really, guys, helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will mean the world to us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.